Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to register for my account with Canada Revenue Agency or CRA. So in that case, you have to go to this website that says canada.ca/revenue agency services, and it's gonna take you to the official page, which is gonna look something like this. Here you could go ahead and read the information as well. And to begin with the procedure, here you need to go ahead and press on CRA registration. So click the link and that's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and start with the registration process. Since I don't reside in Canada, so I'm unable to show you this link. But then if you reside in Canada, then you should be able to open the link, and through that you could just follow the prompt, and with that you could submit the documents and all of the information necessary in order to complete the registration. So follow the prompt, and likewise you could also get the help of a customer support team that will be mentioned right on this page, and you should have successfully registered for my account with Canada Revenue Agencies. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.